Welcome to a more majestic home decor and DIY here with me, Annette Morris. Now, today I'm participating in a challenge. It's the 2020 Fall DIY and Decor Challenge. Our host for this challenge is Christina at the DIY Mommy. You'll see a link to her channel down below in the description. Her channel is full of wonderful DIYs and home decor. You'll truly enjoy her channel. A picture of this wreath was sent to me by one of my family members to see if I could recreate it. After gathering all my materials and my flowers, let's get started. The materials that you see here is from Dollar Tree and Walmart. All my flowers I was lucky enough to find at Walmart. I cut the round foam in half to fit on the wreath ring, and I used thin wire to attach the two together. Then after attaching both of them together, I used the crepe streamers to wrap around both forms to give it a nice look. Now after doing that, it was time to prep my flowers. And what I need to do was actually take them off the stem piece by piece. Now it was time to attach the flowers to the wreath form. And to do that, I first wanted to start with all the leaves. Now I will glue the leaves, the large leaves, all around the shape of the wreath. When gluing down the leaves, make sure you find something to help you to hold the leaves in place while the glue catches. Remember, this glue can get very hot. And once you have all the leaves going all the way around on the wreath, now it's time to actually see how you're going to place your flowers in the pattern seen in the picture. There's 9 bunches of flowers to go around the wreath. So now you want to take the time to place them around the wreath to see how they should look, and also to know how to fit them around the wreath. Great. Now this looked perfect. Let's give a close-up of how it's looking. Good. I think at this point that we're finished. I would like to thank Christina for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and a playlist will be listed down below along with Christina's channel. Don't forget to go check out the other participants in this collaboration. I think it turned out beautiful. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. And now, for the grand finale. If you're not a part of my channel, take the time to subscribe or to share. Thank you so much. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And to my Amore family, thank you, Amores. Stay safe and be blessed.